Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov. Today I want to show you a Cypress tip that will show how you can confirm the input element's value. And the case we want to confirm is when you only know part of a value. It's different from confirming the text content of an element. So imagine I have a span that shows the from zip, and I only know, let's say, 90210. I don't know the 4 digits after. I can still write a very nice Cypress assertion should include text 90210, and it will just confirm part of the text value. There is also a synonym for that, contain. But I cannot do the same for the input element because I need to get the value, and there is no, like, let's say, include value, for example, assertion. So the way we could do that is like this. So let's say I'm gonna grab this element and I'm gonna invoke the value, which is a jQuery method that yields the string value. The input element always produces a string. And now I can say include and just to zip. Okay. And I probably should change it to the 0 to 3 part that I know. Perfect. If a value is different, then it keeps retrying, querying the document, finding the element, invoking its value method, and then running the assertion again. Perfect. It's retrying this whole chain of queries. If I have a string, I can use match that expects maybe a regular expression. So I can say, well, I know the first part, and then maybe I'll take the regular expression. Okay, something like this. And I can even construct this expression on the fly. For example, if I know to zip and it's like dynamic value, let's say it comes from a JSON or a network call, so I cannot hard code it, I can still construct a regular expression where I can provide this to zip as a value, and I just have to be careful and escape our regular expression like this. Unexpected. Okay, I think it like this. Okay, perfect. So we substituted to zip value, create a regular expression, and used it inside the match assertion. We can also do more transformations right here because this yields a string. We know that there is or should be dash separator, so we can say, okay, this is a string. Let's invoke split method on a string, pass the dash. This should be an array, so we'll say should have length 2. We can get its first element using its 0 syntax, and we can say should equal to zip, the value we know of the first part of that zip code. So this is a full recipe. I have a couple more ways of confirming the value on my website, Cypress examples. I'm gonna link the site in the description of this video.